is it anywhere?
Completely unplanned. Supertunia honey. I got 3 of these for our house. We'll look at them again when they look nicer, or when we're not in the trunk. 3. Oh yeah. This tall dianthus. It's really pretty dusty colors. Moonbeam coreopsis, which doesn't have any flowers to show yet. A pink mist scabiosa. I think this is my favorite flower. Of course, I can't commit to that. And then I got this hydrangea. It is something about a bride. Fairy Trail Bride. And Elijah's.
Need some help?
Nope, I got it. Thank you. Yep, this is part of the fun. Okay, and now for the place where I volunteer. 3 of these sea thrift armeria. Ow. Okay, Cicericium leucine. I don't know, but it's like a grass with pretty purple flowers. Powell white echinacea, Powell on my head. Gomphrena, which I've never been successful with. We're gonna try 1. 3 of these Supertunia blue skies. These supposedly get pretty darn big. A well-behaved Nepeta, which I also love. It's called Persian blue. I can't see anything because I don't have glasses. And then these 2 phlox. I have plans. Emerald blue. Okay, my head hurts from hitting myself on the trunk so many times, but I was embarrassed to talk out loud in front of people, of course. Anyway, I'm on my way. I'm on my way to place all the plants. I'm really excited. We get a stipend every single year, and because I have 4 plots, sorry. Because I have 4 plots, I get 4 stipends, but I always feel bad using them, so I only use enough for 1. But this year I'm just going to go all out because they halved it. It's allowed. It's allowed. It's all money that is donated, basically, or from purchase of specific items that they get this money. So, yeah, and it's worth it. It's beautification. It is very muggy right now. So I don't know if you noticed, but our main color theme is like bluish, purplish, whitish, pinkish, preferably pastels, a little bit of yellow. And we have 4 different plots. One of them is almost completely shade. I think it gets like morning, super early morning sun and maybe late afternoon sun, but not really. Depends on the time of the year. And then the rest of the time it's in shade, but it's the one where it's right where it's right next to a driveway, and there's like a caution pole that's yellow, and there's a small strip that I cannot get anything to grow, or yet. I haven't tried hard. I just tried last year to throw in some ajuga from our house, just transplanted it. I don't think it had enough time to create roots, so I might add some more there. But this year I planted some alyssum, which is an annual. And in that area I'm going to plant some of the things that I just bought. Including the Echinacea and some other things. I can't remember what I got just now. Most of the things are for that area. I think I'm going to do the blue sky Supertunia there, which is also an annual. The Nepeta is going to go there. My phone is falling back because I need to have it plugged in and it's being weird. But anyway, I'll just show you the plan when I get there. Okay, here we go. This might be a nice layout. Perennials mixed with annuals. Once the annuals die, after they make their impact for this year, the perennials will take over. That's the plan. This is the floor, so it's going to create a little carpet, hopefully. Maybe fill in this whole edge. There we go. Lots of moats. There's an opera.